In this video, we're going to explore what does APR, or annual percentage rate, mean in the context of a loan. So let's suppose you're borrowing $203,150 for a home, and you're going to pay monthly payments on a 30-year loan, end of month payments. And then you have the points. The points are basically what percent of the loan amount basically is the mortgage company charging to do the loan. Let's suppose that's 1%. So that's about $2,000, a little bit more. Okay, now the annual rate on the loan is 7.625%, but what is the APR, annual percentage rate? That's basically the rate that if you would apply it to the loan amount, that would generate monthly payments that would cover what you owe for the loan amount plus the other expenses. And then you can figure out sort of what's the cost of the other expenses. Okay, so how do we do that? The annual percentage rate here is 7.883%, which is of course higher than the annual loan rate. Well, let's figure out what the monthly payment would be. It's not going to just be the monthly payment on $203,000. Okay, it's going to be at 7.625. It's going to be the monthly payment on basically $203,000 at this annual percentage rate. That's basically how it's defined. So what we would do is use your PMT function. Okay, so the annual, we take the rate, which is the annual percentage rate, divided by 12 to make it monthly. Then it's 360 months. Okay, you borrowed this much amount. Okay, so the APR is applied to that, and then it's end of the month payments. Okay, so basically you're paying $1,474 a month. Basically, you'd pay less than that if you were just paying for the loan itself with no expenses, but you're paying more because of the expenses, and that's built into the definition of the APR. Now, what you'd want to say is, okay, if I pay this amount, okay, every month for 360 months using the loan rate, what's the present value of that? Okay, and then basically clearly it'd be higher than the loan amount because it includes the expenses, and then the difference will be the extra expenses. So if you're paying $1,474.11 every month for 360 months, you can use the PV function to figure out the present value of that. So you do PV, but you don't use the APR, use the rate on the loan. Then it's 360 months, and you're paying this amount. Remember, we want a minus sign in there to make the present value positive if you've been following the PV videos. There's no future value here, and it's end of the month payments. Okay, so basically the present value of all your payments basically at the loan rate basically is fudged out to be $208,267.83, and that includes paying the company the expenses, the points, and other stuff. So then you would take present value of what you're paying, okay, minus the loan amount, and that's really your extra expenses there. So your extra expenses there would be $208,267 minus $203,150, or $51,1783.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytic stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.